Hi, how are you?
I'm doing pretty good. It's Monday,
So it
start of
is
the
a hectic.
week.
Oh,
What?
it is a hectic schedule for today on Cambly.
Mm, no, not really. I am working a longer day today. Is it a hectic schedule? No, not really.
Oh,
Yeah,
so long time no
uh-huh.
see. So how are you?
Yeah. Yeah, everything's been good, trying to take a little bit more work off or more time off in general since I'm pregnant. So
Yes,
I'm just trying to relax a little bit more
you,
and
you have to be relaxed more.
yeah, yeah.
And
And
everything is fine with you, with your health.
yeah, actually, I recently got sick. I
Oh,
got a really bad cold, and
oh,
so yeah, now right, actually, yesterday got really bad, and the day before, but now I'm better. Uh, I had like an infection in my throat, and it went up to my ear, and now I can't hear out of my ear.
okay, okay. I
It's pretty
see.
bad.
I really miss the pronunciation that is from you. That is aha. When you understand, you always speak aha. That is very
You
sweetest
always
of
say,
all.
"Uh-huh."
That
Hmm.
is the sweetest of all.
That's funny. That's true. I do that. Uh-huh.
Yes, exactly like that. And this is, yeah, this is the way you can understand that everyone can understand that you understand.
Sure, sure.
I love
Real,
that. I love that.
I don't even notice. I just noticed now I do that. Mhm.
Yes.
Real quick, something you said is you always speak aha. You want to say you always say aha. Hmm.
Oh.
Do you know
And
the difference between speak and
no, no,
say?
no. Yes, yes. I want to know from you that what is the difference between speak and say?
So speak relates more to like verbalizing. It's like creating words, right? So it's
Oh,
not, for example, let's say speak English. It's the way you verbalize, you do it in this language. You speak quickly,
oh,
speak softly. It's the way you talk. It doesn't have to
okay.
do with what you say, it's the way you talk.
Oh,
Hmm.
that's
And say is the message. It relates to the message.
okay.
So, for example, say what's on your mind. Say the truth, right? It's always say what, okay? So
Okay.
it's speak how, say what.
Ah, I see. Oh, wow. You really explain this in a simple way so that I can understand. Thank you.
It's a common mistake with English learners. Uh-huh. These
Oh,
speak, say, and talk. Hmm.
okay. I
Yes.
see. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for
You're
correcting me. I
welcome.
really appreciate that and
You're
hope to meet you
welcome.
again.
Yeah, for sure. Call anytime,
Sure.
okay?
Yeah, sure,
Bye,
sure.
Indra.
Bye.
Take care.